health and entrepreneurship. But for people that will look at them, we will actually feel that now this is someone that has the entrepreneurial spirit as we put it. But there are some people that you actually see that okay, this person is still learning how to be an entrepreneur, for example. So I'm just like to get a take on it. Entrepreneurship is born, like you have that thing in you. You think that probably there are some people that have that thing or that business thing in them. You know, I want to go.
But you good luck.
I don't know that I'm against
as far as the other things, let me even go maybe it's technical skill, even things like dancing. I'm taking an example, okay? So you are like, I like that song. But there are dancing classes. And I believe if you go for the class, you will know how to do it.
Okay.
So, so going back to your question. Yes, some people have it more easy than others in different fields, and that includes entrepreneurship. Some people have it easier than others. I mean, it's like some people are good with numbers. Some people, math is a nightmare. Others, they are good with numbers. But I believe that everyone can learn it. You will take different amounts of effort from different people. By the end of the day, I believe everybody can learn to be good entrepreneur. It may be more demanding on somebody else. I, for example, I am melancholic, mostly. My personality, I'm melancholic and not risk takers. Stay angle and like, people who get out there and, I mean, mostly, it's not like I'm 100%, but it's my way of thinking is usually, play it safe. I don't see myself taking 1 million to do this, and then I'm hoping to maybe at the end of the day have. Better that 1 million and put in the bank, if you need to invest 20,000. At least I'm sure that yeah. So some people think that way, but even that it can be born, training, with practice, and if you can get there. So to answer your question shortly, everybody can do it. You take more efforts from others, but I believe everybody.
I think I go in the same like it can because I believe based on personality. Can be as a just like you're talking about like all you based on personality, some people will do better in entrepreneurship. Based on personality, some people it would seem like inborn that they just do it very well. It can be inborn, it can also be taught. So people can learn entrepreneurship. I think we'll just get used to that. Like today we no longer ask that can civics be taught? Should civics be taught or do you learn moral? Usually moral education, we will no longer ask those questions because we get it like that. It was already being taught. I think the challenge people have with entrepreneurship is, this name is new, although it has been practiced, it is new, should we teach it? But as has already been said, it can be learned, but we should don't lose sight of the kind of person or personality because based on that we will determine whether how fast you go in entrepreneurship. Be conscious of the challenges that will come based on the kind of person you are.
Thank you very much.